Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about my hair that I've been rocking for a minute now, and I just want to give you guys a review on the hair, my recommendations, the pros and cons, the shipping, the price, all of that. Okay, so let's get started. The hair that I've been rocking for a minute now is from Rpghair, not RPG Show Wig or RPG Hair Show, RPG the other one. This is like a more affordable for people like me and possibly people like you as well. I purchased this hair May 14th. There was a sale going on the website, so I purchased the hair. It was originally like $170. How much was it? I just looked it up too. It was originally $168, but there was like a $10 off, so I paid like $168 for it. So, you know, I'll take whatever I can. Okay, shipping was about like 3 days, not even like 3-4 days. Shipping is really quickly. Like, that's what I love about this website. The shipping is very quick, so you get your stuff like. This is a 20-inch. This is a 360 wig. It's pre-plucked. It's yaki straight and it's Indian hair. This is the color. It's a natural color. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. This is the natural color of the hair. The cap size that I got was a medium. It has a small, medium, and like large, but the large is like an extra 30 days, and I was just like, no, let me just get medium. So I got medium. I thought I was gonna be a large, but it fits pretty well. The hair density is 150. Shedding is minimal, only because, you know, when I had to pluck some more hair out, like, it would shed, and like it's a little matted in the back because it's a 360 and I didn't like lay down in the back, so like I only get like a little mat in the back. But other than that, once you brush it and stuff, like, it's really good. This hair stands really good in the heat because I do live in South Florida and it is hot. Okay, it is hot, but like this hair withstand heat. Y'all see this? Because I didn't lay it down. Listen, don't judge. Okay, excuse me, don't judge. You don't know what somebody's going through. You don't know their life. You don't know my life. You don't know my story. Like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I wash this hair every week. I wash the hair every week and I let it air dry. I've never like washed the hair and used a blow dryer. I never do that with my hair. I did it one time with like beauty supply store hair, and ever since then I've never done it. So like, I don't do that. I first got this hair when it came in the package and I took it out and I was like, RPG, try me. Like, what is this? Like, the hair looks like, you know, when you buy braiding hair, that's how the hair looked like. It looked like braiding hair, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, I've been played. Like, they really tried me. Like, I was so mad. I started filming, showing the unboxing, and I stopped and I was like, what is going on? But once I bleached the knots and I washed it and I straightened the hair, I was like Baddie 2.0. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing, and I really was getting I was getting looks, honey. I was getting looks, okay? And I was just like, I have curled this hair. I was actually gonna show you guys me curling this hair while I talk about it, but I was a little lazy and I didn't want to. I'm so hot. I didn't want to. I was like, I don't want to curl this hair. It curls very nice, and like the curls stay, like, even if you don't want to re-curl it, like, you could even preserve it. Like, at night I would just like twist it and like pin it up, or I would use flexi rods, and it like 4 flexi rods, and then pin it up and like wake up in the morning and the waves will still be popping. Okay, I promise you, like, if it's not yaki texture, I'm not wearing it anymore. Like, I've been spoiled to the T. Like, everyone has been asking me about this hair. Where did I get this hair? How much did it cost? What is it? Like, that's how much compliments I get. When I first installed this hair, people used to come up to me, and you know how you can check when somebody's looking at your scalp to see if it's real? Like, I used to see people trying to clock my lace. Like, it was unclockable. Like, you cannot see this lace, okay? Maybe now you can a little bit. I've been wearing this hair since May 22nd, non-stop. So I've worn it to sleep. I've worn it like with the elastic band method. I've worn it, you know, using the got to be. I've worn it without using the got to be and just putting the sucker on without even the elastic band. And I've worn it all ways. I've worn it straight, curly, all of that. Like, I've done different type of hairstyles with it. And like, look at the body, look at this hair, like, look at this hair, look at the hair, look at it. It's beautiful and it smells really good. So do I recommend this hair? I absolutely recommend this hair if you're looking for something affordable, something that comes really quick, something that comes pre-plucked, that has densities between 130 to 180. I don't think they have 200, but that's too much for 200. Like, dang, like, how thick you want your thing to be? So if you guys are looking for something nice and affordable and you just want to try it out, I definitely recommend this Rpghair website. And more than that, I recommend this hair texture itself. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you've ordered from Rpghair and how was your experience. If you're planning on ordering based on my review, and if you do want more videos, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to put God first and you will not be last, okay? Put God first and I promise you, it's not gonna be easy, but you will not be last in everything that you do. Put him first. And I will see you guys on my next video. God bless.